The Imaginative Inventor. In a little town filled with wonder, there was a boy named Rayan. Rayan loved inventing things and had a big imagination. He believed that with science and creativity, he could make a difference in the world. Rayan cared a lot about the environment and wanted to find a way to help reduce waste. One day, he had a brilliant idea. He wanted to invent something that could turn leftover food into useful compost. Rayan worked hard in his special lab, using simple materials like buckets, soil, and worms. He wanted to create a system that would break down food scraps and turn them into rich, nutrient-filled compost that could help plants grow. After many experiments and adjustments, Rayan completed his invention, the food composter. It was a special container that made it easy to collect food scraps and turn them into compost. Rayan wanted to show others how easy it was to make compost and reduce waste. He invited people from his town to try the food composter. They learned how to separate their food scraps, put them in the composter, and let the worms and bacteria do their magic. Word of Rayan's invention spread, and more people started using the food composter. The town became a greener place, with less food waste going into the trash. Rayan's simple invention inspired others to think about how they could reduce waste and take care of the earth. They started their own composting projects and shared what they learned with their friends and neighbors. Rayan was proud of what he had accomplished. He knew that even a small invention could make a big impact on the environment. He continued to invent and find new ways to help the earth, always believing that everyone can make a difference. And so, the story of Rayan, the inventive problem solver, became a symbol of inspiration for everyone. It showed that with creativity, determination, and a desire to help, we can find simple solutions to protect the planet and make it a better place for all.